one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on the planet. Victoria Falls. Located on the Zambezi River, on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, in southern Africa. The first European to see the falls was the Scottish explorer, David Livingstone, who named them after Queen Victoria in 1855. Victoria Falls, known as Mosi-oa-Tunya in the local Lozi language, meaning the smoke that thunders. The waterfall is approximately 1.7 kilometers wide and 108 meters high, making it the world's largest sheet of falling water. Victoria Falls is a true marvel of nature that you have to see to believe.